Hello students, in this video we are going to see very interesting question which is given in your textbook. So this is one of the example question, example 6.30. So very simple question. So first what we have to do in the application of trigonometry, we have to read the question and we have to draw the diagram. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. See, there is a tower. This is a tower. Here the man is sitting or standing and he is watching a boat speeding away from the bottom of the tower, speeding away from the top of a tower. The boat makes an angle of depression. See, this boat makes, this is the eye level of the man. This boat makes an angle of depression, 60 degree. Okay, so this is also 60 vertically opposite angles. Then with the man eyes when at a distance from 200 meter away from the tower, this boat is now 200 meter away. When the boat is 200 meter away from the tower, when the man is watching the boat, now the boat makes an angle of depression 60 degree. Okay, after 10 seconds what will happen? The boat will move little bit away from the present position. So after 10 seconds the boat came here. So what is the distance? We don't know, but the time taken to move this distance is 10 seconds. Okay, this is time taken to move to cover this distance. Now the angle of depression becomes 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. See, when the boat coming closer to the tower, the angle of depression will be increased. When it is exactly close to the tower, angle of depression will be 90 degree. Okay, this is the situation of this question. What is the approximate speed of the boat? So we have to find the speed. So speed kandupidikanum. So if you want to find the speed, what is the formula to find speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So already here time is given. So if you find this distance, we can find the speed of the train. Okay, let us find the distance. Okay, we will give the name. This is A, B, we can take it in order. A, B, C and D. So CD height of the CD be the height of the tower. CD be the height of the tower. A and B are different positions of the boat. Okay, that's enough. So see, first I am going to use here we have two right angle triangles, one is BDC, ADC. So we will use both the triangles. In triangle BDC and in triangle ADC. So here see, in BDC given angle 60, this is opposite side, then this is adjacent side. So tan 60 is equal to opposite sides CD by adjacent side bottom 200. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 is equal to CD by 200. CD is equal to 200 root 3. Okay. Now tan 45 triangle ADC. This is the same, CD is opposite side. 200 plus this distance D, so tan 45 is equal to opposite side CD by bottom D plus 200, adjacent side D plus 200. Tan 45 1 CD by D plus 200. 1 into D plus 200 is equal to CD. So here equation 1 and 2 are, here 1 is equal to 2. 1 and 2 are equal because this is also CD, this is also CD. Therefore D plus 200 is equal to 200 root 3. So D is equal to 200 root 3 minus 200. So 200 is a common factor. So root 3 minus 1. 200 root 3 is equal to 1.732 minus 1. 200 into 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 0.732. So then we have to multiply. Very simple. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, then 2 zeros, because of 200 2 zeros we have added, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 146.4. This is the distance travelled by the boat during this 10 second, after the 10 seconds. So but we have to find the speed. So now speed is equal to distance by time. So what is the distance? 146.4 divided by how many, what is the time? Time taken 10 second. It already took 10 second to cover this particular distance. So this is, it is given in meter. So this is in meter. The time is in second. The time is in second. So we have to, but in the question they have asked us to find the speed of the boat in kilometer per hour. Here meter per second. So we have to change. So you know clearly. So 1 second is equal to how many hours? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. Okay. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 1 by 1000 kilometer. So this concept we have studied in fourth. We are studying from fourth standard onwards. ஒரு கிலோமீட்டரை 100 பீஸாக கட் பண்ணி அதில் ஒரு பீஸ் எடுத்தோம்னா 1 மீட்ரு. தட்ஸ் ஆல். டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? 1 கிலோமீட்டருக்கு ஒரு லென்த்துள்ள த்ரெட்டோ ரிப்பனோ எடுத்து அதை எத்தனை ஹவு வி ஆர் கோயிங் இஃப் வி கட் 1000 பீஸ், இஃப் வி கட் 1000 பீஸ் ஆஃப் 1000 pieces of 1 kilometer length, you will get each pieces will be 1 meter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000. Similarly, 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600. So how we can convert this? First we will simplify this. If we divide by 10, the digits will move on. So 14.64 meter per seconds. In the meter per second kilometer per hour sa maathanu. So 14, I will do it here, 1464 into 1464 into 1 second is equal to 3600 seconds. So what we are going to do, just we will multiply by 3600 divide by 1000. So minutes per second just we have converted into hours per kilometer per hour. So why we have divided? If we can simplify like this, 2 zeros cancel. If we multiply by 36 into 14 point, we will get 04 by this 10, which is equal to 52.704 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the train. So I will give a clear explanation about here what we have done. See, I will do it separately here. அந்த ஸ்டெப் மாத்திரம் இங்கே நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ see, 146.4 by 10, this is meter per second. இந்த மீட்டரை கிலோமீட்டராக மாற்றணும். How we will change the meter into kilometer? This can be written as, this meter can be written as 1464 by 1000 kilometer. When we divide the meter by 1000, it becomes kilometer. So now it becomes kilometer by 10 seconds. So 10 by, how to change into hour? Hour. So now 1464 by 1000 into 10 by the reciprocal of, when we divide we will take the reciprocal by 10. Now we can cancel. If we simplify, we will get the same answer. So we have to understand and do. So very simple question. So if you watch this video thrice, and you have to imagine the situation, you have to imagine the scenarios which is given in the question. So you have to imagine and you have to do, you have to apply. Thank you.